Hello viewers, welcome to Aarohi Sewing Enterprises. For this coming Sunday, we have planned computer embroidery digitization workshop. There will be training you on blouse customization. We are going to show you how to do the blouse digitization, blouse neck, back neck, front neck and sleeves. And we cover basic punching, color sequence, design, customization, saving the design file into EMB, design format conversion, design to photo. There are many things will be covered. The training fee is only 999 rupees. It is worth of full course actually. If you are good at computer basics and you are already running embroidery business, in case you have the laptop with internet connection, you can attend this training program and you can make your own designs, you can digitize, you can apply your creativity, then you can do customization works and you can improve your business. So don't miss this opportunity. Again, I am repeating the dates. June 1st, so you can attend this training in the morning from 10 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. So don't miss out. Please share this video with your friends. For more details, please reach out to me on 9100949956 through WhatsApp. I will respond you through the WhatsApp. Please go through the information which is posted in this video. Keep up the great work. In case you are in the local Hyderabad, you can attend this session from our store location as well. From our store also you can attend the session. So there will be offline and online. We are doing both the things together. If anyone is interested, please do attend training.